Alright, so welcome to a small little video, a small little part. Today is a Sunday night. In today's little video I'm going to show you guys how to remove rally armor. Basically it's like the mud flaps. Now, why am I removing it off the Subaru even though it looks like a beast with it on? Because Tuesday we're going to be doing something very, very special. Something different, something else, and we're gonna be going to see something with me and my friend Wayne, and it's something that I should have started with when my very first car. So instead of the Mazda like you guys saw in vlogs about a year ago, I should have started with this car. So here's it. Alright, so basically I've got stars. I call them stars. I got about 1, 2, 3. I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there a 6? No. So I got about 5 screws. Gotta use this guy. I'm doing this tonight, Sunday night, because I want to get this car prepared. By the way, what I'm doing to this car on Tuesday has nothing to do with this car, if you know what I mean. Like, I'm doing something that's it's hard to explain, but something that I've been. Alright, so I got this one out. I got both of them out actually. As you guys can see now, looks like shit without the rally armor on, but it's alright because Tuesday is gonna be a very special day for me. If you guys want to see what we're doing on Tuesday, by the way, what we're doing on Tuesday has nothing to do with this car. We're doing something crazy on Tuesday. It's gonna cost me a little bit of money, but it's gonna be damn worth it. Damn worth it. I'm gonna just like leave you guys in a little mystery thing right now, because like I wanted to try and do it tomorrow, but unfortunately, what I'm doing tomorrow is not gonna be available. Now I gotta make sure that these screws stay with me. Basically, the front ones take about 4 to 5 screws. Back one takes around 3 or 4, 2, 3 maybe. So we're gonna keep everything together. That is pretty much my goal right now. Everything is set down here, so it's good. I definitely gotta remove this shitty Paul Walker sticker. I'm calling it shitty only because, well, it looks like shit. I'm stupid enough to I forgot that the sticker was here. It was all icy and snowy. I scraped it all off. Anyways, so now what I gotta do is for those of you guys who don't know, I learned this from my boy Wayne. So shout out to my boy Wayne. He actually taught me this, and I'm doing it myself. If you wanna use turn your wheel in a different direction while the car is off, you can do that. Just make sure like this, make sure all the electricity is on, and without the car even being on, all you're using is pretty much the power steering, which is not a really big deal. Like, just gotta make sure though that the tires are pointing on the right side. Oh my, it is kind of heavy. It's kind of tough to do this. I would turn on my car, it would make it much more simple, but unfortunately my exhaust is extremely loud. And we don't want to disturb the neighbors. Okay, I have to keep on turning and turning the wheel. I'm just gonna turn on the car for like 2 seconds, and I'm going to turn the wheel all the way and then turn the car off. It's whatever. Okay, ready for that loud exhaust. Oh my God. Even with the cat underneath, it's like nothing. It's like nothing. See, now I could literally just turn the wheel so easily. Alright, so it's all the way, so you can't turn it no more. It's good. Alright, perfect. So we're pretty much going to be doing the same thing on the other side. Same thing. Alright. Same thing. Now, if I had an electric screwdriver, this would have been a little bit easier. Oh, we don't want to lose these now, do we? This one a little bit easier, but I'm gonna go with the $20 Canadian Tire screwdriver set. It works. It's whatever. Okay, I just realized this. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on camera or anything, but if you guys can see that, my screwdriver head just broke in half. Like, you guys could literally tell on the right, it's like, wow. Looks like I'm gonna need another screwdriver set. That's for sure. All right, so everything's done. Obviously, now the car looks like shit. It looks kind of weird with no rally armor, but it's all right. So, yep. Why did I take them off? You guys will find out on Tuesday, exactly on Tuesday, because that's going to be a very interesting vlog for you guys. I'll get a car wash before I bring it in, and it's pretty much about it, honestly. I put all the screws and the washers, I put them all literally in the bag so I don't lose them, and they're in the trunk, the rally armor and the trunk. One thing is that the, oh yeah, I don't want to say anything that's true. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's something small, something a little small for you guys. Trying my best, you know. This part-time YouTube is kind of hard, but you know, I'm doing what I can for you guys. I'm doing what I can. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sorry I didn't film very much. I will see you guys on Tuesday. Thank you very much for the support. And yep, hope you guys have a great night, because it is nighttime. Have a good day. Be cool. Be awesome. See you Tuesday.